Good morning, children. I am your value teacher, Ashwarya. Today, in value, we are going to learn lesson 1, God is everywhere. Through this chapter, we will learn that God is always present with us. Wherever we are going, whatever we are doing, however we are living, He is always present with us. Children, before starting this chapter, I want to tell you that you have to read this chapter daily so that you can improve your pronunciation and improve your word power. You have to note down all the hard words which I will underline in the chapter. Okay? So let us start the chapter. God is always with us. He is not restricted to one place at a time. Restricted means प्रतिबंधित. एक जगह हम उसको प्रतिबंधित नहीं कर सकते. We can't say that he is only in temple, he is only in mosque, he is only in Gurudwara or he is only in church. He is all time present with us. We live in his glorious presence every moment. When we are alone, God watches what we do. We need God's magnificent presence for any challenge that may come our way. He protects us from any danger. He is our Savior. Whatever we are doing, whatever we are thinking, He is all time watching us. Children, you can think yourself that whenever you move towards wrong path, who is there to tell you, no, this is wrong, you don't have to do it? That is, there is God inside you who tell you, who show you the right path and stop you doing wrong works. So today we will read this story. This story is about a merchant who did not believe in God. And after an incident, he started believing in God. Once upon a time, there lived a merchant who did not believe in God. According to him, people believed in God because they were told about God. If they had never heard about God, they would never have believed in God. Actually, merchant never believed in God. He thought that God is just an imagination. He is only in the story. The merchant had a son. See in the picture, merchant and his son is met. He decided that he would not send his son to school but educate him at home. He did not want his son to hear or learn anything about God. Since merchant did not believe on God, so he didn't want his son to learn about God. To keep his son away from other children